we are already in recession for most people, is the way the S&P is. The S&P capitalization weighted is at a new high, but equal weighted, the 500 stocks, if you treat them equally, is not at a new high, or has grossly underperformed the S&P market cap weighted index. And for most people in the world, the economy is flat to down. The standards of living are going down. I have friends, they tell me they don't feel safe to walk around Berlin, Frankfurt, Munich in Germany, but they feel safe walking around Moscow. Yes, that is the new world. That is the world the socialists and the Greens and all these nuts have created. And where the typical household being the household who earns the typical income, the median income in a society, when they can't afford them anymore. That eluded the wisdom of our central banks. That if they keep on printing money, maybe consumer prices don't go up a lot for years, like between 2000 and 2020, consumer price increases were moderate, but we had very high asset inflation. But what do you want if you're a central banker and all you're interested in is to advise your buddies on Wall Street, and you haven't read the classical economists like Schumpeter and Hayek and Mises and Friedman and so forth? You wouldn't know. I mean, I'm astounded by the lack of knowledge and especially the lack of interest to learn something by today's central bankers. They're all political animals, all out to give speeches, to become famous, to get an advisory job with Citadel or Goldman Sachs or whatnot. But they're not interested to do a good job.